Imagine yourself in this 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features. LTZ Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment: sunroof, power tilt sliding with express open and line deflector, air suspension, rear-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels and luggage rack. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.